Assalamualaikum grade 4 children. In last video, teacher covered page number 8 and page number 9. We started the lesson The Fir Tree. In this lesson, children, on page number 9 we had seen that there was a forest, and in that fir tree was there. Little fir tree, small fir tree. But that fir tree, what was its wish, children? Come on the page number 10. We will see from the line number 1. Here, see, I wish I were a grown-up tree. So this baby tree, fir tree, he want to become big. The little tree sight. Then I could stretch out my branches and see the world from high above. If I'll be big or I'll be grown up, so my all branches, it will stretch up and I can see the world from there. The birds would make their nest on me, and the birds will come and they will make the nest on me. My branches would be swing with the wind like branches of all other big trees, and my branches also will swing in the air like other trees, how they are swinging. Slowly the tree became very tall and thought happily. Then slowly what happened, after some time, after some months, this tree, it become big, and that tree was very happy. Oh, to get bigger and taller, that is the most wonderful thing in the world. So she was thinking that to become a bigger and to become a taller, it is a very good thing in the world, very wonderful thing in the world. In the autumn, the woodcutter came and cut down a few big trees. The young fir tree trembled to see how the big trees crashed into the ground after they were cut. Where were they going? He wondered. So when this tree became big, so after some months, it saw that one of the woodcutter came and he cut the other big trees. So this tree, this fir tree, she trembled. Tremble means, children, teacher has given the meaning of tremble. It is given on the page number 8. You see from there. What is the meaning, children? Here it is given. See here, tremble. To shake when afraid or cold. When we are shaking after afraid or with cold, it is known as tremble. Then, so she was wondering that where they are taking to them, these big trees. We know, the sparrow chirped. The sparrow around them, they were saying that we know, हमको मालूम है, sparrows बोलती है. We have been to the town and peeped in the windows of the houses. We have seen them planted in a warm room and decorated with beautiful things. So these sparrows, they said they are taking to somebody's house, a rich person's house, and they are going to be planted in a warm room and they are going to decorate it for the Christmas. It must be lovely to live in a warm room, the fir tree thought, and Christmas must be special. They will decorate it me too. So the fir tree, after listening that, it was very happy and thinking that one day I will also go to this rich people's house, and it is very good to be in the warm room. And Christmas, it is so special, so they will decorate me also. Many more months passed. Children, here. Rejoice as much as you can in fresh air and light. The air and sunlight told him, but the tree did not listen. So, sunlight and air, they were advising, they were saying to fir tree that don't be in hurry to go to the warm room, because after that your life will end. So you enjoy whatever you are getting here, the sunlight, so much sunlight you are getting, fresh air you are getting, so you enjoy it now only. Many more months passed by and it was winter once again. When Christmas time came, the woodcutter cut the fir tree as it looked green and big. It felt the pain on its trunk. It was sad for the fir tree to leave the forest and all the dear old trees' friends. So one day, after some months, one day woodcutter came and this tree's turn also came and woodcutter was cutting to this tree also. When it was cutting, the pain was there in the trunk. And this fir tree was very sad to leave the forest because he has to leave the old friends also. The fir tree was planted in a large tub filled with sand and was placed in a big house. So this fir tree, it was planted in a large tub. Tub, it is a kind of a one vessel, children, big vessel. Tub, and it is placed in a big house. It was decorated with candies. That Christmas time, it was decorated with candies, color candles, dolls and the walnuts, and at its top was a large gold star. It looked beautiful. So this fir tree, it was decorated with all the candies, then colorful candles also, and on the top one big star. It was of a golden star. The tree was looking very beautiful. But when the candles were lit, they burned its branches. And when they lit the candles, the branches, happened to branches, they burned. Soon, a group of happy and excited children came into the room. The candles burned down one by one, and the children took down the Christmas gifts that were tied to the branches. They did not look at the tree anymore. So on the trees, many of the gifts also were there for the children. So as the candles, they are just they burned down. Then the children, they were taking their gifts, and nobody was looking at the fir tree. They were happy with their gifts only. Children did not bother about the fir tree. The next morning, the maids came with their dusters. What are the dusters, children? You know, that day I explained you what the dusters, जो साफ सफाई के जो सामान होते हैं ना, mop and the sweep, all this, they are known as dusters. They took the tree and put it in the dark, what it is here, children? Dark corner of a room. See here, teacher will read again. Put it in a dark corner of a room. The tree thought, I must have been put here for shelter until springtime comes. How good these people are. The tree missed all the friends. So next morning, what happened? The servants, they came and they put this tree in the corner of the room. That room was very dark. So this tree was thinking that maybe till the spring only I have to be here. So these people, they are kind. They are keeping me here safely. But no, children, nothing was like that. Skip came a little mouse. So one mouse came and with his friends, they sniffed the fir tree and played in and out among its branches. So in the dark room, the mice were there, and they were playing on the branches of a fir tree. Where did you come from? The mice asked him. So all these mice, they asked fir tree, from where you have come, or where did you come from? I come from the forest, where the sun shines and the little birds sing, said the fir trees. The mice said, oh, how wonderful. So how wonderful place you are saying, that the sunshine and the fresh air and all other trees also were there, and from there you come to this place. Now the tree remembered all the good things about the forest. The next morning, 4 people came and pulled out the tree. they put him in the backyard near a garden. So 4 people, they came and they took this tree out and pulled that tree and put it into the backyard near the garden. The tree saw the beautiful flowers blooming in the garden. So from this, now here see the tree, old tree, it is here. And it was seeing that in the garden, no children, the flowers are blooming, and she felt very sad. This tree felt very sad. My days are over now. So she said, now my days are over, said the poor tree. Why didn't I enjoy them while I could? So when I got the fresh air, when I got the sunlight, where I was in a wonderful place, I did not enjoy them. I am thinking of all other things. Now they are gone, and all are not here now. They all are gone, all gone. A servant came and chopped the tree into little pieces for firewood, and so the tree burned away completely. Then servants, they came and they cut this fir tree into small pieces, and that wood was it was used for the firewood. So this tree was no more, children, but she was very upset, thinking that I should be happy when I get the things, but I did not. Children, here we learn about the fir trees, that they are of the how many species? 56 species fir trees they are there in the world. These trees are found in the mountains of America, Europe, Asia and Africa. Then fir trees can live up to 700 years. Fir trees are decorated on Christmas. And from this story, the very good message, it is for us children, it is for you also, it is for me also, and all others also. What is there? That we should learn to be happy with our life and make the best of it. Should not dream for the future. Okay, so children, today's video it is over, and next video we are going to do the question answers of the lesson. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.